Hi guys! Good morning! Ito na naman ang inyong flight attendant na naging pobreng lakwatsera, naging stay-at-home mom, student mom, driver mom, at kung ano-ano pa.
We came from church
And now we're heading to lunch. Magsa-celebrate lang naman tayo today ng anniversary nila Mama and Dad Gary. By the way, late post nga pala to ha, kasi Sunday kahapon mag-day off naman tayo mga content creators. Anyway, a little background. Ito nga pala yung wedding nila last year.
What if your healing comes through tears? What if 1,000 sleepless nights are what it takes to know you're near? What if
So ayan guys, it's been a year. I'm just so proud of my mom and dad Gary for tying the knot. If you've watched my previous vlog, nalalaman yung 10 years in the making lang naman yung love story nila.
Yeah, Brian and Juvie.
And I'm proudly sharing it to give hope to the hopeless. So kayong mga single dyan, huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa. Meron at meron talagang para sa inyo. And their marriage, it's one of our family's greatest testimony that when God planned something for your life, nothing and no one can stop
you
it.
pick me up? We drove around.
And time flies. Yesterday, we've celebrated their first wedding anniversary. And it's a celebration of love and family. Blessed to have Pastor Sylvia praying over them.
Thank you that they are both self-sacrificing. They love each other most.
That's Pastor Sylvia praying over them. Mom and Dad are so blessed to have her. She's been helping them through the process and paperwork, and siya lang din naman yung nag-officiate ng wedding nila. I forgot na, ang hassle nga pala magpakasal guys, no?
Part of our marriage happens every morning when I
Kaya kayong single pa, i-make sure nyo talaga na siya na bago kayo magpakasal. Isang napakatinding panalangin yan bago magdesisyon. Ang pag-aasawa, hindi naman kasi madaling desisyon yan. It will set the trajectory of your Choose life. a partner that aligns with your values and visions in Hindi lang life. yung puro forma or pera lang ang sukatan. Find someone that can lead you and your future family. Find someone who has faith that is deeply rooted in Christ. Aanhin mo naman yung gwapo at yaman kung hindi naman marunong magdala ng pamilya. Choose well and pray over it. Otherwise, ikaw lang din yung nagsasuffer ng mga consequence sa mga maling decision sa buhay mo. Pastila, napaka-serious naman natin guys. Anyways, just like any other kainan, it will always end up with Sharon.